Let us consider another one question. So here we can see that given is consider two events T and S. Consider two events which is named as T and S. Let T complement denotes the complement of the event. जो T complement जो T बार जो है वो क्या डिनोट कर रहा है, complement of the event T, उसके complement को डिनोट कर रहा है. And the probability associated with the different events are given as follow. और क्या कर रहा है, जो प्रोबेबिलिटी एसोसिएटेड है विद द डिफरेंट इवेंट्स आर गिवन एज फॉलो, जो कि दिया गया है नीचे में, which is given the probability of T complement is equal to 0.6. Probability of T complement is equal to 0.6 and the probability of S given T is equal to 0.3. Probability of S given T 0.3 and the probability of S given T complement is equal to 0.6. फाइंड क्या करना है, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ T given S फाइंड करना है अराउंड अप टू 2 डेसिमल प्लेसेस. So let us see solution. So first of all, we will write the given, whatever the given in the question. So let us write given. We have given probability of T complement is equal to 0.6 and probability of S given T is equal to 0.3 and probability of S given T complement is equal to 0.6. So these are the things we have given in the question. So we need to find what we need to find. We need to find probability of T given S is equal to, we need to find. So we already know the conditional probability formula. So what will be there? So probability of T given S is equal to, we know that already, probability of T intersection S divided by probability of S. So we need to find these two things, then we will be able to find the probability of T given S. So for that we will see in this. So here we will see. So for that we can write probability of S given T is equal to probability of A intersection T divided by probability of T. We can write like that. So this is the same thing like that. So so here what will happen implies probability of S intersection T. So we can cross multiply this. So it will go here. So what will happen, probability of S intersection T we can get. S given T how much we have given, 0.3. So 0.3 into probability of T 0.6. So how much it will become? It will become 0.18. So this will be the probability of S intersection T. So this will be for that only. So we can move further. So what we have now, we have probability of S intersection this. Sorry, let us one mistake consider here. Sorry for that. So this will be not here. So what will happen, so we need to actually find probability of T. So we have given probability of T complement is equal to 0.6. So what will be the probability of T? So probability of T will be 1 minus probability of T complement, which will be 1 minus 0.6, which it is not even 0.4 it will come. So we can write here directly. So what is the probability of S given T? 0. How much? 0.3. 0.3 into 0.4, which is given here. So it will become 0.12. So we know that probability of S intersection T, we can write probability of T intersection S. Both are same only. So this can be this one. So let us consider equation 1. So now in the next step we need to find probability of S. So this we need to find. So for that what we will do, we will take this one only. So we have given probability of S given T complement is equal to 0.6. So for that what we can write, we can write 0.6 is equal to, I am writing directly so you can see that. So probability of S intersection T complement will be probability of T complement. So it will go here. So how much it will become? So probability of S intersection T complement, it will become 0.6 into how much we have given, probability of T complement we have given 0.6. So it will become 0.36. So now here the main part is there. So let us see this in a very deep way. So I am drawing the Venn diagram. So I will draw the Venn diagram. By watching that you will be able to understand what is here. So probability of S but not T. So probability of S intersection complement any negation of this T. So let us consider. So this is S, this is T. This is S, this is T. What is this? This is S intersection T. So what is what is here given is, means we need to find probability of S. Okay, we need to find probability of S where T is not included in that. So this meaning of that is that only. So we can write it like that, probability of S intersection T. So we can write this only. So we can write this equation like that is equal to how much? 0.36. Okay, so this become this only. So here from here we can find the probability of S. So probability of S will be this, we have given 0.12. So we have find this earlier, so we can write there 0.36 plus 0.12. So it will become 0.48. So probability of S, how much we get? We get 0.48. Okay, so what we have to find in that question? We need to find probability of T given S. So probability of T given S. So probability of T given S is equal to probability of T intersection S divided by probability of S. So probability of T given S, how much we have? We have 0.12. Okay, we have already find this one. On probability of S, how much we get? We get 0.48. So we can cut this into 4, means 1 by 4. So we can go get how much? 0.25. Up to 2 decimal places we found that one. So the main confusion is there only. So you need to understand this Venn diagram. After understanding this Venn diagram, you will be able to find the questions answer for this question. So what will be the final answer? So final answer will be 0.25. So this will be the final answer for this question. So let's move to the next question. So we will do the next question in the upcoming video, and this video will be given to the description of this video. So thank you so much.